So, hello everyone. Today, in this new channel that I made, I'm going to show you some projects that I made for Água Jump Studios, my new studio of creating projects. I'm going to show you the Catweb part and some the other part. So, first, what is Catweb? Catweb is just a simple Google in Roblox. Yes, Roblox. So, what I'm going to show you? Well, I'm going to show you some examples. Let's type in Volt. So, here is in Volt. This is a search engine. And what's a search engine? Is just a thing that shows you results. So, for example, let's imagine that, oh, I want to search something. You can just go to Catweb and search for something. And it's going to show you results. These results are more complete because Catweb has everything. But let's go to the other engines. English. If we type here something, wait, one search here in the database on very apps, but there's not 3 results, just 3, and shows not 3. I don't know if image shows something. If it's load, or shopping, or news, goes nothing. Okay, let's go to Searchable. One of the most famous sites of search. I'm going to type here something. And it's going to show probably nothing. Because why don't show something? Alright, now my app is not too complete. It's on the very early stage. It's existing about an year, but I want to evolve something I'm going to show you soon. So first, here is the menu, the name of it, services, the type of it, the cloud search platform, and some shortcuts, cloud, simple all, documentation, your address, and status. Status is because I disabled the server for testing, and because the app is not too polished. So I'm going here and search for something. Then it will show absolutely nothing. But if we remove it and put here, control has just 2 things in your database. It's just a list. Right. We have mirror, that's the AI of Select gathered into the A. And file.rbc that I paid. Here I have premium, so I have all these things to never use something. That's it. So we have this and it's not too good. And it's just a copy of search go get that. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to evolve from this to the prototype 1. Fine. The features are going to be limited for soon for paying people on Job Plus. That's a subscription that we're going to talk about later. Oh, so click on OK and you have this. This is just an example, not here so well. Let's have this first page as it was so abstract. So have a tab 1 and have nothing. It's just that. So if we click here, you have another tab with another link. If we put links up like this, you're going to save this, and if you go to tab 1, you're going to be another link. This uses cookies. Yeah, I don't hide the feature that I use. So alright, just that. Alright. So I show you the first service that we have. Services, or better, Google Services.rbc on Catweb. That is public and you can see it. So I'm going to make it open source. I'm going to think, not make. So for the next part, I'm going to show you Chaos OS about RBC. Chaos OS is like my app for Azure. We have Azure from Microsoft, Google Cloud for Google, and mine is Chaos OS. We have our home products about the documentation. It's very an early stage, so here I have some small text. And let's click here and nothing works because we are in early stage. So we have a page called products, and it has the products. The license key of kiosk 1.0, 1.0, the license key. So we're going to access the product. We're going to, we are going to put us here in the platform. So we have kiosk personal, and has 5 gigs of cloud storage, and if you have kiosk plus, that is what you can use in here. Thank you. Kiosk plus. You can have 5 gigs per person for 4 people in your family, and that's it. It's just on platform. Now I could show you something. I've been working in some things. I'm going to show in this folder. I've been working on something. Each server is my server locally. My bear Google is not going to talk today. We're going to talk about Google services. We're going to soon launch a custom API if I can do and have the resources. Okay, an API for people communicate with the real world. We're going to use it a bit, not a bit. I'm going to use it a lot. Cloud, that's we're going to talk about how does it work, and search, that is what you see, but the real site. This is the Catweb for impersonating people to our real website. So here, search is going to be separated by files. So if you want to search something, you search and you have the file with the content. Like I want search, so you search. I have here Google, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and has a social media and etc. API is a thing that you can allow and etc. And cloud is going to work a bit different. So I've been working for about 6 months or so in a project called Simple Database, and that's going to allow a better out for people, and that's it's simple. So how does this cloud have with database? So this cloud has going to be instances that we will call as Windows machines. So every Windows machine is going to run single database enterprise, a private version of mine, which you can host infinite number of users. So for example, I have here, I don't know, Google Services official logout, and I'm going to talk that is kickoff that I made here. So how do I deploy a machine here? I can go to the site, the official site that we were going to show you because it's show and finish. You can go to cloud. If you have a subscription, you're going to access the console. And in the console, you click in instance, and there will be their cloud instance. And there you will configure everything you need and launch. After launch, you have access to single database instances with full things that single database can offer. Allow to two-factor authentication, SHA-256, etc. So that was the introductory video for our new app. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel, we're going to post more about this project, and see you later.